Hello and welcome. I'm Miss Carly,
Miss Silvana.
and it is week 3 of our summer reading program as we have fun with our grab and go STEAM activity kits. They are free.
And a special thanks to our friends at the Buckeye Public Library for the kits.
If you don't already have a kit, you can pick one up at the downtown library or the Coyote Branch Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Or visit the bookmobile. Make sure to check our website for current date, time, and location.
This week's theme is plants and growing.
That's right, and our activity this week is growing your very own beanstalk. So you'll want to pull out your instructions from your activity kit, right here, growing your own beanstalk. And then what supplies are we going to need from our kit?
We want to need one simple little plastic bag, 4 cotton balls, 3 lima beans, and something else from home, just a little water for your project.
All right, so let's get started and show them how they do their activity. First, we're going to open up our bag and we're going to wet the 4 cotton balls and then place them in the bag.
Just like this, friends.
All right, and next we're going to put our 3 lima beans into the bag.
1, 2, 3.
Awesome. All right, then we're going to close our bag shut. And then you're going to need a little tape, and you're going to want to tape it to a window in your house that gets a lot of sun. And then you're going to want to observe it for every few days to see if there are any changes, and you can watch it grow.
That's so much fun, guys.
Once you've done your activity, it's always good to reflect on what you've done. Here's some questions that you can reflect on. What was the outcome of your experiment? Did it work? If yes, why? If no, why not? What would you do differently next time? How would different windows affect the experiment?
Those are great questions, Miss Carly. And everybody, don't forget to submit your pictures. You get your 25 points and email them to the library@buckeyeaz.gov.
That's right, and you can submit the picture either in the beginning, right after you've done it, or if you want to wait until it's grown, you can do that. Either way works. We just want to see your pictures and you'll get those points. And just by watching today's video, you can get 15 points if you enter the code BeanstalkWatch3 at the website read20az.org.
Now is your turn to have fun as you
Imagine your story.